All right. Well, in this last part of our lab today, we're just going to do some additional things. So we will start by adding our Starbucks Toronto file in the new QGIS project, and we will join to it our Toronto data. Oops, not this one. That's the original one that we have actually clipped, but rather the one that has only the City of Toronto boundary. So once we've added it, there it is. We can put our Starbucks Toronto over the census and we can see the distribution, right? So imagine that I want to count the number of Starbucks that I have in each census tract. I go to my processing toolbox and choose count points in polygon. As polygons, I'll choose Toronto. As points, I'll use my Starbucks layer. And I'm not going to use any weight field. Count file field name, its num points would be fine. It's not a problem as long as I know where my file is. Save to file, and I'm going to choose type it as Spucks to. Actually, you know what? So that I don't confuse it, it makes sense to actually put count. So I'm just going to call it Spucks count TO from Toronto, and I'll let it run. It runs pretty fast. I've gotten all my files in, and I can deselect the layer before that I had. Going to go to attributes table, and as you can see, we've got our final new field called num points, which basically has all of the joins of points, that is Starbucks, within each census tract. It's pretty useful if I then want to compare with demographics. For now, let's try to visualize that. Let's go to graduated, and under graduated, let's choose our num points. And then finally, we can choose the mode. Let's go with natural breaks. And that's great. And just click apply. Okay, close it up. And you're all set. You're now visualizing the density of Starbucks by census tract. Well done. So now you know a little bit more about locations of Starbucks and how they relate to each other. See how the downtown cluster is? There it is. Thanks for watching.